is it now?
125 lah.
Wrong. Sekarang ni PKPP ya. Bila PKPP, kita cuti-cuti Malaysia.
This time around, we want to do something off the beaten path. So that will be our 4 days itinerary post MCO trip.
Teach you. Hinton. You see the avocado so fresh. Bidor, first stop.
This is our first full meal of the day. How is it?
The wonton mee was just okay, flavor was a little bland.
The duck is meant to be flavorful, man.
Nice, right?
This one is good.
A few moments later.
Right now, we'll be heading to Teluk Intan to see the Menara Condong. Cepat sikit!
Vroom, vroom.
Just did a first try on sending the drone and following the car. Halfway through, the visual transmission was lost because we are pretty far away from the drone. It was way at the back and I had to get off the car and retrieve the drone from the air. Okay, we are about 20 minutes away from Teluk Intan. We could be staying at a hotel called Rivertel.
In here because there is this yellow lines over here. But yeah, close up of the Menara Condong of Teluk Intan. Back to the car.
You know, I wasted 2 full rounds around the tower because I didn't press the record button. What a noob. We are at a secluded residential area right now. In Joo Heong. Almost dinner time, here to get some Cheong fun for dinner.
Last time they used to open until 2 AM. Now they open from 2:30 all the way to only 11. Is it good?
It's simple, it's nice, but I prefer the one with Cheong, the sweet sauce. But this one is just... So we have spent the whole day looking for food and looking for places to drone.
Yeah, I have another one.
Really? Dinner and supper.
Dinner, dipper.
Okay, so let's get back to the Menara Condong to get some evening shots of the tower. Okay, so we want to get a time-lapse of the sunset. Tripod here with the iPhone 11. Up already. So what time does it lit up?
Actually 7:32 like that, right?
Linshin asked the guy just now.
30 minutes to 7, the tower will light up.
And we were waiting there at 7:30.
7:31.
Then suddenly the lights lit up already. So that wraps up our night in Teluk Intan. We'll wake up tomorrow morning and head to Lumut.